Hey Radar crew, Tok Radar here. A mysterious interstellar object called 3I Atlas is cruising through our neighborhood. Scientists are baffled, and now Elon Musk has chimed in on Joe Rogan's podcast. Is it just a comet or something else? Let's unpack the facts, the claims, and what experts are actually saying. 3I. Atlas was discovered by the Atlas survey in July 2025 and was quickly identified as an interstellar comet, only the third one we've seen. Telescopes from ground-based observatories to space telescopes have been watching it closely. Some researchers report strange chemical signatures and unusual behavior. Others say natural explanations are still the best fit. And yes, Elon Musk and Joe Rogan discussed this on a recent episode, which sent the story viral. In this video, I'll walk you through the hard facts, the weird observations, the high-profile commentary, and what it all actually means. What is 3I, Atlas, Discovery, and Orbit? Let's talk. 3I, Atlas, was first spotted by the Atlas Survey telescope on the 1st of July 2025. Its trajectory is hyperbolic, meaning it's not bound to the sun, which is the primary reason astronomers call it an interstellar object. That's rare. Before this, we'd only confirmed 2 other interstellar objects. Importantly, it's not coming close enough to Earth to pose any danger. Astronomers stress it will stay far from us as it passes through the inner solar system. So, no, you don't need to cancel anything. It's an astronomical curiosity, not an incoming threat. What scientists have actually observed? Here's where the story gets interesting. Observations from telescopes, including recent James Webb Space Telescope analyses, indicate the comet's surface has been heavily altered by billions of years of galactic cosmic rays. JWST data suggests the outer layer developed a crust, chemically altered from long exposure to space radiation. That means the very surface we see may not look like the comet's original material from its home system. Solar heating could strip that crust away and reveal less processed material beneath. Other teams have been studying its spectrum, the light fingerprint of the object, and reported some odd chemical signals that prompted debate. Those observations are why some scientists are openly asking hard questions and why the object has attracted so much attention. Controversial claims Avi Loeb and talk of non-natural materials. Notably, a small number of researchers, most prominently Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, in press coverage have described anomalous findings such as unexpected metal emissions or chemical compounds that seem unusual compared with typical comet chemistry. Those claims sparked immediate debate in the scientific community. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and most planetary scientists urge caution and more data before calling anything non-natural. This is where the story moves from interesting to internet wildfire. Bottom line, some researchers have said, this is weird. That's not the same as this is alien. The mainstream approach is still to test natural explanations first. Elon Musk and Joe Rogan, what was actually said? Then the podcast moment happened. On a recent Joe Rogan episode, Elon Musk and Joe Rogan riffed about the object, with Musk teasing possible evidence and asking provocative questions about whether we might be looking at something engineered. Their back and forth is what blew this beyond the science press and into mainstream talk shows and social feeds. That kind of high-profile speculation drives clicks, and that's fine, but it's essential to separate speculation from peer-reviewed analysis. Why experts urge caution? Why the caution? Because measuring tiny spectral lines from a distant, faint object is tricky. Telescope calibrations, viewing angles, and contaminating sources can all produce odd signals. Plus, JWST and other instruments have shown the comet's outer layers are likely irradiated and chemically transformed over eons, which itself can create unfamiliar signatures that look unusual but have natural explanations tied to long exposure. To cosmic rays. Scientists emphasize more observations, multiple instruments, repeated spectra, peer review before jumping to conclusions. What to watch for next? Key data and timelines. So, what should we watch for next? First, continued spectroscopy from large ground telescopes and space telescopes to confirm or refute the unusual chemical signals. Second, monitoring as solar heating peels away the irradiated crust that could reveal fresher material and clear up whether the composition is exotic or just weathered. And third, careful, transparent data analysis published in peer-reviewed journals. Right now, teams from NASA, ESA, and major observatories are coordinating observations. If you want to follow along, stick to primary sources, NASA, ESA, peer-reviewed papers rather than only viral takes. The cultural angle, why the internet explodes over this. Why do stories like this explode? You've got a perfect storm. Rare interstellar origin, mysterious chemistry, big names like Elon Musk speculating on podcasts, and the public's appetite for "are we alone" narratives. That combination fuels headlines, memes, and rapid viral sharing, which is why Tok Radar is covering it. It's a big cultural moment as much as a scientific one. But remember, virality doesn't equal verified science. So here's the honest take. 3I Atlas is one of the most fascinating astronomical discoveries of the year, a true interstellar visitor that's teaching us about materials shaped by billions of years in deep space. Some observations are surprising, and a few scientists have highlighted anomalies worth investigating. High-profile talk, including Musk's comments, makes the story louder, but the scientific method is slow by design, and that's how we'll get to the truth. If you want real updates as the science rolls in, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Do you think 3I Atlas will turn out to be natural, or is there something stranger going on? I'll follow the data and bring you the updates. Tok Radar, stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay on the radar.